So here is my final color, y'all, for my final look. Completely done. I took the bands out after maybe like 40 minutes. It was about 60% dry, so it's pretty much dry. I'm just letting it do its own thing. It's going into my little fro that it likes to do. So yeah, y'all, this is my first time coloring my hair. All I did was recolor it. The color was that intense black, and I love black though. I love dark black to where it looks midnight blue black. And I actually was going to go with a blue black, and I bought it, but I decided not to use it because it looks like, to me, I felt like it was going to come out looking like that dingy gray, blue, black, like that dingy sweatshirt. Like, so I decided not to go with this and just went with my intense black. And I love it, of course. So I did do the bundle and band with this because I felt like it was the safest route. I'm only 7 months and I'm still not all the way locked, so that was the safest route. But if you know another route, if you done something else, let me know in the comments. And how far along were you when you dyed your hair? 'Cause I had to. It was too many grays. It was looking brown. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to say thank you to all my supporters, and thank you for all the love you guys have shown me. I appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.